Today I'm going to be going over how you create a map in Google Maps to help you either figure out the best route if you're trying to go to multiple places or if you're just trying to get more of a directionality of where things are. So the first thing you need to go is to go to maps.google.com. And this, if you have your Bluetooth on, it'll default to where you live. So on the top left, you want to click the menu bar, which is those three horizontal bars, and you go about halfway down and click your places. So the best one I've found to do to figure out routes is maps. So if you go to the fourth one over, you click on maps and you go to the very bottom and click on create map, and it'll open a new tab in order for you to do this. So there are a couple different options here. If you are a visual learner and you just want to see an overview of places, this first part is the best way to do it. So the best way is to import a list if you have a bunch of them, or you can type them in, two different options. But you can import from either Google Drive or you can upload from your own drive. So I have an Excel sheet that has the list of the places with the addresses. So I'm going to select the file from my desktop, and it's asking you the first thing, where do you want the marker to be? So that would be the address that you're actually putting it in. And then it's saying, do you want me to name them anything? And that would be the place. So then I click finish. And now you can see that those places are populated on my map. You both see them on the left-hand side. You can adjust the color if you want to make them more prominent, but they're now here on the left, as well as there's markers on my map. So visually you can see, okay, maybe I want to start down here at Harvest and then go up to this Mimi-Nashi, and then I want to go to Napa Bookmine, and then I want to go to Tanya's. If you'd rather get those step-by-step instructions and you need those explicit directions, the other way to do it is if you click this little arrow here that underneath the search bar that says add directions, it's going to add what's called another layer. And it's under driving, but you can change this to walking or biking if depending on what you're doing. So now say I want to type in different addresses. So say I'm going from this place to, I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to add another destination, and I'm going to go to, so say these are the three places I want to go. Well, if it doesn't look like quite the best route to go, you can just drag these letters to be in a different order, and then the directions will be correct. So once you've actually made these, you can either preview them here at the top and it'll show it. And then also if you want to print your directions. So there's multiple ways that you can actually look at it depending on what view you want to make. So if I go back here, I can either see the step-by-step instructions. I clicked on this, the three vertical dots, and I click on step-by-step instructions. It's going to show those instructions between each address. So hopefully that's a helpful way for you to actually make a map and figure out what your best route is.